Tell me about this top score.
The top score is the Olympics.
Okay, so in facing the Olympics, you can imagine that it gets very competitive. We have one of our competitors here. His name is Kelvin. Kelvin, how did it go over there?
It went amazingly good. It was a 2v2. I had the cards, and when the teacher placed the photos, the pictures on the screen, when he said go, I immediately start swiping cards and placing them on the board, and it was correct.
Nice. And there was a part A and a part B, is that right? So what were you just describing? Part A or part B?
Part A.
Okay, so tell me about part B.
Part B is a quiz that you have to do. It will be a roll of a dice. The teacher will roll a dice and he will pick a question. The question for us was, which color of the Olympics is not in? And the answer was D.
What was that answer?
I think it was purple.
Ah, yeah. So what are the colors of the Olympic rings?
There's red, there's yellow, there's green, there's black, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's black. There is orange. No, wait, no, there's no orange. White, I'm pretty sure there's
Okay, so the 5 colors of the Olympic rings. Well done. Okay, so we have a new top score in facing the Olympics. I'll be very interested to see if anybody beats it. Thank you very much. Good luck. Where are you going to next?
this.
All right, good luck. Now you see me. See you later. There you have it. All right. The challenge is there. Can you... Right, it's not right.
They got a point. One more word. They still got a point. Okay. The word is. Let me find a harder one. Jacket.
Got him. Got him. Noisy. They snatched victory from the jaws of defeat. Look at that. Wow, really impressive. Well done, well done, well done.